Hi, this is Stephanie, and I'm going to talk about adding embellishments to your scrapbook. Once you put your pictures together and you've picked the papers that you want to add things that are going to enhance your page. They could be items that go along with your picture or just fun little things that really bring your page to life and add a lot of interest and are just basically fun. You can get buttons, brads, things like that. Here's a page that I did, and I just tried to use a bunch of different embellishments. I split up my page into all kinds of different little sections. I added a lot of themed embellishments and fun ribbons and things, and it really makes this look like an exciting page. The photo wasn't that spectacular of a photo, but it was the only one I had from the event, and because I made the page so visually interesting, it just brings this page to life. That's what a good embellishment can do for you. In this embellishment, or this page, I used embellishments almost as a border. They can do all kinds of different things, and they brought your attention right to that photo and how much my nephew is, enjoying his ride. You can use an embellishment to, a silly little, arrow pointing at the day just is a good reminder of what's going on in the photo. You can take different embellishments and add them together. Here's some foam, some foam flowers, and I added a sticker to the middle. These are all, you don't have to use just the same brand. I use like, 5 or 6 different items that didn't even go together, but they tell the story, it's fun, and embellishments really brought a page like this together. So just collect what you think looks good, try out all different things, and then you'll have a great page.